gotta get somebody to lock up today. Somebody gonna break the rules of the road. Gotta abide by the law. Yeah. Eh? You're riding coming up the road there. Alright, I gotta pull you over. Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, officer.
Can I have your license and registration?
A bike?
Yes, for a bike. When the officer stop you, the first thing you do is comply and then complain.
Yeah, I comply. Before I complain.
First, talk to the officer in a good manner you're complaining. Can I have your license and your registration for this bike?
I ain't get license and registration. Whoa. I know you think you want I ride, and you ride behind me. So,
You know, if you have your license and your registration is a charge.
what
Plus,
charge is that?
is a charge. Listen to the officer. When the officer is speaking, don't talk back. The bicycle doesn't have a brakes, it doesn't have a wheel. The bicycle tire in looking for your chest. Can I have your fitness for this bike, miss?
My fitness, my license is at home. I already told you that, officer.
Oh, so you already told me that. Well, ain't no officer riding behind you. Well, miss, I would like to ask you to step off of the bike so that I can get a search and see what's on the bike and I could search you.
Alright, officer. You're gonna search the bike.
Alright, step aside from the bike, please. Alright, well, this bike gonna lodge in the station tonight. This bike gonna sleep in the station.
So, officer, I get to know.
That's not the officer problem. I said the bike gonna sleep in the station. Turn around, last search you.
Officer, this is wrong.
I mean there's a comply and then complain. Comply and then complain.
I ain't complying because it's wrong for male officer for such a female. I know that for sure. So I ain't complying.
Me not them officer though. Put up your hand, I search you. Comply and then complain.
Officer, touch my private part.
I took few private parts, mate. I took
In the book, that again, it said no male officer is supposed to touch a female. It's wrong. It's wrong. I know for sure you know that.
yo, miss, let's search you.
No, you could get charged. You wanna charge you? It's wrong for a male officer to touch a female. You can get charged. See you in court.
Alright, we're gonna see each other in court and it's my word against yours. Yeah, it's proven that you don't have
Let me see.
you don't have your fitness, you don't have your license and everything for you.
Well, we fight and we shall see who will win in court.
It's my the game's yours.
Yeah, me too.